Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do a creamy shrimp scampi pasta. Just so you know, you could use this sauce without the pasta. You could top it on a steak or some fish. It would be really good on like a blackened salmon. I'm going to add some pasta to it today though. It's not a traditional scampi. We're going to add most of the traditional stuff, but we're going to bring it together with a little bit of cream. It holds better. It's a great product. It's a wonderful dish. So let's get to the ingredient list. Alright, here's our ingredients for today. We're going to use linguine. We got I did a whole bowl of chopped garlic here. We're just going to do a one serving. You can obviously ramp up it whatever you need to make more. Some raw shrimp, 3140s. I think I got 6 of them. 2 tablespoons of whole butter. We're going to cut the creaminess and richness of it with a little crushed red pepper. Obviously we got some cream. And we're using some white wine today, probably a half a cup. Probably going to top it with some Parmesan. So let's get this cook going. Alright, let's get this creamy scampi going. We're going to start out with the 2 tablespoons of butter. Into our pan. Get that melted away. Alright, we're going to start. We got our 2 tablespoons of butter melted down here in our pan. We're going to add our garlic. And it's scampi, so it's got to be garlicky. So a heavy tablespoon of garlic in there. And you want that to get incorporated in there with your butter. So it starts getting translucent and all that good stuff. Right now I will add a smidge of just a little bit of salt and a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. Now you're going to get people telling you to use white pepper. Use white pepper if you want. I don't mind black specks in my white sauce, but hey, that's totally up to you. I mean, I understand. So, what we're doing, we're going to cook that garlic through. We'll be back for the next step. Alright, we had a camera snafu, so what we did was our pepper flakes, hit it with our wine, half a cup, and we got our shrimp in there. So now we are cooking the shrimp through, reducing the wine. We got the butter and everything else. Right now, this is basically what you would do with a scampi. You want to bring that wine and together, but we're going to add cream to this, and we'll bring you back when we do that. Alright, our shrimp are just about cooked through, so I'm going to pull the shrimp out of here and finish reducing the wine and the cream in here. We haven't put the cream in there yet. I'm going to pull this out so these don't get overdone. You see where we're at here? See that? It's pulling back. It's time for cream. So we're going to add our half cup of cream to this. And we're going to reduce this. It ain't going to take long. Our linguine I got over here, it's about done. And we're going to flop the shrimp back in here in a sec. And we're going to take this together. And once that cream comes up, it'll pull that sauce together. We'll put our linguine in there. We'll finish our shrimp off. They're probably 3/4 of the way done. We'll have our dish. Alright, I reduced the heat a little bit. We're there to where we need to be. Step A, as they call it. Look at that. So that's good for a sauce. Add the shrimp back in there. Go on. Let them get back acquainted into their little delicious bath. We're going to add our linguine back in there. We're going to kill the heat, Give it a minute, and then we're gonna play. All right, time to plug this up. So I like to always fish my noodles out. Try to make a pile. So, try to build it high. And then you got your shrimp here that you can toss over your dish where you like. Let them lay where you like. That out of there. Alright. And we're going to finish it with just a little bit of Parmesan. Get her all over there. Like so. Alright. There you got it. A creamy shrimp scampi with a little bit of spice. That cream in there just adds an extra layer of flavor, and it kind of helps that sauce to come together. Hey, like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. Tell me what you like to see. Do you like these pasta dishes or whatever? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments. Once again, I thank you for your support. I'm going to chow down. We'll see you next week.